grammar is overrated.
Hold up. Hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't.
Korean is both difficult and easy at the same time. Speaking is the hard part. However, reading is the easy part. I can teach you guys how to read basic alphabets in about 15 minutes. That's all it takes. So in Korean, there are 10 vowels and 14 consonants, so 24 total. And the rest is whether the consonant goes under or whether the vowels combine each other. That's it. However, if you know these 24, you got it. And the rule that I figured out that the easiest way to learn Hangul. So we'll do it really fast. We'll start with learning 10 vowels first. So these are called tall vowel. The rule for the tall vowel is that the vowel always goes to the right side of the consonant. And the vowel itself, it doesn't matter. What's important is when it is combined, the consonant, what kind of sound it makes. So this is the circle here is called iung, and this is good for practice because it doesn't have any sound. It sounds like the vowel itself. So here we go. This is called E. 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 And this is called A. A. Notice that there's a stroke going to the right side of the tall vowel, right? When it goes to the right side, the sound, you throw the sound from your throat, like ah, ah, ah. And the next thing is, this is called the double vowel. It is ya, ya, ya. And for this one, the stroke goes to the left side of the tall vowel, right? In this case, you suck the sound to your throat. Oh, oh, oh. And this is the double vowel for oh. It sounds like yo, yo, yo. And can you guys read how this sounds like? Ai, that is correct. It's very easy, right? You guys have learned 6 among 24 already. And we will learn 5 more and give you some time to practice. So the next one is the fat vowel. As you can see, it is so fat that it always sinks under the consonant. That's the rule. All the time it goes under. So let's practice. This sounds like And this, when the stroke goes down, like I said earlier, you throw the sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And that's the double vowel for ooh again. You, you, you. And the next one is o, o, o. And the final one is yo, yo, yo. So, how would this sound like? Uyu, that is correct, you guys are right. Uyu, in Korean, it is milk. So let's practice all these 10. Repeat after me. E, E, A, ya, ya, o, yo, yo, u, you, o, yo. I know this is the boring part. However, I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. Alright, now that we have learned 10 vowels, it's time to combine the tall vowel and the fat vowel. So, anybody can make this sound. Oi, that is correct. It means cucumber. And the second one is yo, that is correct as well. This means fox in Korean. And the final one is what was that? You. That is correct. So this is reason. Now I will give you about 3 minutes. I want Korean teachers to make up another word with basic consonant and basic vowel and practice with your partners. Here we go. 인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?
인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?
인스타그램 아이디 뭐예요?